Your spider senses have finally calmed down. As you come around the corner, you hit a pothole like no other. You hear a loud bang. Your truck starts to fishtail from left to right on a 2-lane highway at 45 to 50 miles an hour. And that's when you soon realize that this is just another typical day in lawn care. Let's go. So rookie, you want to be in lawn care. It's starting to take its toll on you, both mentally, emotionally, and let's not even talk about physically. You're having flashbacks of high school football, 2-a-day practices. I'm talking full body cramps with no water in sight. You see, in the bayou, by noon, it's hotter than grandma's red beans fresh out the pot. And for those of you that are not in the know, that means 110 degrees feel like temperature or better. Your spider senses have been up since this morning when you got out of bed, but push on. Verify you got all your equipment. You got your Echo SRM 225, you got your Echo Pass 225. Those are your weed eaters, the best of the game. Let's go. Make sure you got your Cub Cadet 0-turn loaded up and ready to roll. No need for the lawman to get behind us, so we check the left turn signal, the right turn signal. Brakes are working. We're gassed up. Now it's time to hit the road. Let's go. As you hit the corner and turn out of your neighborhood, something's still not sitting right with you. The spider senses are still tingling, so you start to run your checklist through. Brakes checked. Lights checked. Security checked. Gas checked. So you continue on your way. Today you got 7 up on your route. So we're trying to get them done early. We're trying to get them done quick. You soon come to find out in this lawn care game, it's all about route density. Got to be efficient when you're in the customer's yards, and today's no exception. So you keep on. First neighborhood of the day takes you down an old country road with magnolia trees hanging from side to side. You see the sun shining through, so you figure it's going to be a good day. But there's one thing about these old country roads: they have more potholes than the law should allow. You see Mr. Jono outside feeding his cows and his horses, so you give him a wave. It's one thing about the South: everybody speaks. And as you come around the corner when you least expect it, you hit one of those devastating potholes, which causes your truck to start to slide from side to side. You're fishtailing from left to right. Not knowing what to do, you continue to travel down the road at 45 miles an hour, and all of a sudden, those spider senses kick in. You realize something's just not right. Is it a blown tire? You're not sure. So you slowly pull over to the side of the road. You jump out your truck. As cars pass down the road, kicking up loose gravel, you get to the back of your truck only to realize that your trailer is only hanging on by the safety cables. The neck of the trailer is up under the bed of your truck. You quickly grab the trailer to try to re-hitch it, only to realize that this trailer is now hotter than swamp juice from running across the gravel on the road, which ends up leaving charbroiled scars on your hand that any barbecue master would be proud of. You begin to take that walk of shame. You try to gather yourself back together. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do in a situation like this? You really begin to question whether you're about this lawn care life. Do you phone a friend? Do you give up? Do you call it a day? Is it time to take it on in? You decide to grab the keys out the truck, unload the trailer, take your 0-turn off, sit there and try to get yourself together. Now that your adrenaline has calmed down, you begin to go through your process. You checked everything before you pulled off, so everything was straight. You're a lawn care architect, so you decide to carry on with your day. You load your trailer back up, hitch it back up, now that it's at a manageable temperature. You get through all your properties, decide to go ahead and call it a day. As you're riding back in, again, kind of figure out what really happened. What did I forget? Whole new set of questions start to run through your mind. Am I gonna have to deal with this on a daily basis? Am I gonna have to continue to watch my trailer Through the rear view mirror, do the cabbage patch. If I hit one of these Louisiana potholes of no forgiveness. As you pull into the crib, you notice something shiny and reflective sitting on top of the barbecue pit. And you ask yourself, could it be that simple? Could it be that easy? For more lawn care tales from the Bayou, click on the video playlist. Let's go.